Here we are in the city government. I would like to present to you the suspect in an incident happened on May 18, 2025. Yung biktimang si Mr. Raymond Cabrera na isang TNBS, and we've watched Sian Ambrosio's report yun sa ang biktima ay isang TNBS driver. Now, through, I don't know what happened to them, you can ask them later on, but they opted to, mas minabuti nila na sumuko na sa alagad ng batas. No? And I think the case is now before the Office of the National Bureau of Investigation, no? Through the leadership of Director General Jimmy Santiago. Ang mga pangalan na suspect na nandito ay si John Kevin de Ocampo. John Kevin? Okay. 33 years old. Justin De La Poo, 30 years old. And 24 years old, Jean Armin De Ocampo, magkapatid. Sila lahat ay taga-Tondo. At through the effort of Councilor Awisia, a councilor from 2nd District, ito'y humingi sila ng tulong kung paano sila susuko sa alagad ng batas. Now, through some assistance from the Northern Police District and the Manila Police District, nandito sila kanina, at gusto ko rin ipaalam sa inyo na ang pamilya ng mga suspect ay nandito rin. At kinausap ko sila kanina. Now, I'm happy that the case is, na-resolve. Nakikiramay kami, ako, personally, 10 ng aming grupo sa pamilya ng biktima. But in our own little way, kami maging tulay man lamang na makapagbigay ng hustisya sa pamilya ng biktima. And we will let the National Bureau of Investigation conduct its susunod na gawain. No? At kausap ko na rin nga si Director General ng NBI, si Jimmy Santiago, at magpapadala na siya ng operatives dito sa City Hall ngayon para ma-surrender na sa NBI. So, for now, at the very least, that we can say, at least, I hope the family will makuha nila ang hustisya. And at least naman, ako'y panatag din para sa pamilya ng mga suspect na walang untoward incident na posibleng mangyari in the course of apprehension, and this will be, I think, the best lesson for each and everyone, those who are watching. Kung kayo'y nagkamali, maaari kayong sumuko, maluwag namin kayong tatanggapin. Kung kami kailangan maging tulay o para makapagatid ng hustisya, gagawin namin. For now, we'll leave it to the National Bureau of Investigation to process them. So again, pasensya na kayo, mag-alas 9 na ng gabi, naistorbo namin kayo. Now, we are ready to answer questions, and if you are willing to ask them, I think they're willing naman to answer them. Kasi nagkusang loob naman sila. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening po, Yorme Jamie Santos from GMA Integrated News. Clarification lang po, paano po po sila napunta po sa inyo po?
Yes.
Sumuko po ba sila? Mas pinili po nilang sa inyo po lumapit at humingi ng tulong? At kung paano po sila nakuha ng ating po na kabalisan?
Through some assistance of the Northern Police District, no, kasi tinawagan si Awi, si Councilor Awi. Dahil mga kadistrito niya to taga Maynila. And as you all know, in practice, even nung ako'y dating mayor, pag may sumusuko, minsan ako pa kumukuha. I think the last time that a tragedy happened in the city of Manila with regard to an incident to a family, kinuha pa namin yung suspect sa Cavite, gabing-gabi. Na ano lang ako, siyempre, na nagtitiwala sila sa atin, especially yung pamilya ng mga suspect. I think the most important question, and you can ask them, is hanggang ngayon kasi hindi pa nakikita yung bangkay. No? Ayoko ng pangunahan kung ano yung sinabi nila sa akin. But for now, sumuko sila at nag-coordinate kay Councilor Awi Sia ng District 2. Dinala sa amin 10 ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay. At ita-turn over namin sila sa NBI na may hawak na nung kaso.